Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What's your name?
Cambria?
Cambria? So today, are you ready to accept Islam?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's not complicated. It is actually a state of your heart, what you believe in, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll ask you some questions. The answer to every question is yes.
Okay.
And you say your name is Cambria?
Yeah.
Cambria. Cambria, am I forcing you to accept Islam today? You're doing it with your own personal choice,
Yeah.
right? Do you believe in one God?
Yes.
Do you believe God sent messengers time to time, situation to situation, area to area, just to guide the humanity, and none of them is His Son? Do you believe Jesus is His messenger, not His Son?
Mm-hmm.
Do you believe Quran is His final book? Do you believe Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is His final messenger? Do you believe in life after this life?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yeah.
Do you believe in hell and heaven?
Yes.
Do you believe in angels? Okay. Then repeat after me. Shahadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lah
la sharika lah
wa ashhadu
wa shahadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluhu.
Congratulations, you
Thank
are
you.
Muslim.